Hi guys and girls, I'm Zenon Michalow. I'm a professional woodworker and carpenter. My focus is on the finishing carpentry and cabinets, basically or interior. Over 30 years of experience. I started back in Poland, got some nice experience with very nice people, very experienced woodworkers, European woodworkers. Those guys, the old one, I'm not sure he's still alive, but he was studying in Austria, old timer, really old timer, so he taught me a lot. Also, I took some classes from professional carver, and I frequently visit museum to learn inlay design. I don't have many chances to introduce this type of work right now here in America, but I'm trying here and there to bring the old craftsmanship to the table and create something unique for our clients. To present and introduce to you few elements which I love, which I learned years ago in Europe, and try to make it houses beautiful here in California right now. That's my goal. This video probably will be the best for some woodworkers who already have a little bit of experience, but they're looking for inspiration. People who want to decorate the houses, they want to design a little bit, and they don't have a lot of experience. Of course, you see magazines, but not everything in the magazine. If you don't have experience, you will see magazines, you have a paid advertisement, so not everything is the way it's supposed to be. I can point it out for you. I'm also not perfect, by the way. Nobody's perfect. This video is also for homeowners who can see the difference and hear the voice about what kind of wood to use, why this wood, not another, why I prefer something or not, what kind of material I use, and how deep profile it's needed or necessary to make it look really like old world craftsmanship, and that's important. Sometimes you have to spend a little bit more and invest in the 5-6 color material to get the depth of the profile that give you results. Choosing right material, that's another thing. Creating right design, right balance. We'll introduce you to one of the library, which library/private office, which we already finished in Rancho Santa Fe. So you will see our design, how we design things. You will see our experience, details, or attention to details. That's very important in this type of thing. I really appreciate you watching, and please subscribe, and we hope to produce more video for you. I hope you will be interested to see what kind of variety of thing we create, starting from basic kitchen cabinets, very fancy libraries, carving, inlay design, so many different things, and it should be interesting for you. Thank you for watching.